guys! Welcome back to my channel. So in this video ay magre-review ulit tayo ng isang lending application. And ayon sa kanila application guys, ay nagpapautang daw sila up to 25,000 pesos. And ayon sa kanilang application, within 10 minutes ay approve na po daw ang application natin sa kanila. And with no collateral ay makakapag-approve sila. And sabi dito, fast up processing of application. So let's see guys kung totoo ba yung mga sinasabi dito sa kanilang application guys. But before we go on, sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na, hit ang bell button para ma-update ka sa upcoming videos and tutorials. And i-share na rin ang video ito, mag-comment sa baba para mapabilang kayo sa mga upcoming na pa-Gcash giveaway natin. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in this video nga guys is magre-review ulit tayo ng isang lending application. And sabi sa kanilang application guys, up to 25,000 pesos ang pwede daw nating mahiram sa kanila. Only one valid ID is required. Ayan. And ang sabi dito na no collateral required. And sabi din dito na fast processing of application. Ayan. And very easy ang process sa kanilang application. So ang lending application na ito guys ay si PitaCash Loan for Everyone. Ayan. Si PitaCash guys ay powered by Finance Technologies Incorporated. Ayan na meron silang 4.1 stars and 4K reviews. So, before we go on guys, ang video ito ay hindi po sponsored, hindi po affiliate sa any lending company, and hindi po ako isang agent. I'm just sharing guys kung ano ang aking nakita at naranasan sa isang lending application. Alright guys, so si PitaCash guys ay pwede nating ma-download sa Google Play Store. Ayan. And ayon sa kanilang application guys na ang PitaCash ay registered sa Securities and Exchange Commission with the registry number of CS209 or 019023 na 2369. Ayan. And ayon sa kanilang application din guys ay pwede nga tayong umutang daw sa kanila ng 1,000 to 25,000 pesos. Ayan. So, for first-time applicant, ang PitaCash will provide 1,000 and for the regular client is from 1,000 up to 25,000 pesos. Ayan. And pwede ka daw umutang dito if you are 21 years old and above and business owner or self-employed and a Filipino citizen in the Philippines. Siyempre, Filipino nga eh. Charing. Ayan. So, pagka-download natin ng application, guys, ay hihingi agad-agad siya ng phone number. Ayan. So, syempre, mag-provide tayo ng phone number kasi magsesend sila ng 6-digit code. Ayan. So, i-enter natin dito and we will push through. And before daw pala natin mag-push through is mag-create tayo ng PIN code. Ayan. So, kailangan natin mag-create ng 6 na PIN code. Ayan. So, after which guys, ayun na, ipapakita na ang pwede daw nating mautang sa PitaCash na to. Okay? So, sabi dito, I want to get. Ayan. So, makikita nyo guys sa screenshot from 1,000 to 25,000 pesos. For me guys is, try ko muna yung 1,000. Ayan. Sabi dito sa baba, loan term, 30 days. Ayan. And repayment date is February 16. So, tap natin yung take a loan. Ayan. And, ayan, makikita nyo guys sa screenshot guys na pwede tayo makapagbayad 15 days, 20 days, 25 days, and 30 days. Pero ang pinili ko guys is 15 days. Para makita lang natin guys kung magkano yung computation within 15 days. Ayan. So, take loan. Ayan. And after which is, sabi dito na we are asking about yung ID daw natin, ID information, personal information, reference information, work information. So, basically, yung mga information po natin. Okay? So, sabi dito na yung first step, ayan, is first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, ayan, email po natin, gender, date of birth, or marital status, children, educational attainment. So, fill up lang natin yun guys and then sabi natin and then after which is yung ating document or yung ating mga ID. Ayan. So, ang ID na pwede sa kanila is UMID, TIN, Social System or SSS, PRC, Passport, Driver's License, Postal ID, PhilHealth, and yung Philippine ID natin and yung Voters ID natin. After which, guys, is yung residence address. So, tatanungin yung address natin and kung ano ba yung address natin or kung rental ba or owner. And then, after which is, next na natin. Ayan. And magtatanong din sila guys ng contact reference natin. So, nangangailangan sila ng dalawa lamang na contact reference. So, in fairness, hindi sila sobrang stricto dito guys. Ayan. So, ilagay lang natin yung contact name and yung contact number and then continue lang natin guys. And then next step guys is yung main source of income. So tatanungin nila kung ano yung mga income natin or kung ano yung source of income natin. So for me nilagay ko lang na others, ayan, and then yung monthly income daw natin. And then after which is click natin yung box. So andyan sa mga screenshot guys, yung box and then tap natin yung finish. After which guys, tanungin yung loan purpose daw natin. So loan purpose, select your loan purpose, ayan, and then do you have outstanding loans, ayan, and yung disbursement channel natin. So for me is others na lang, and in-indicate ko na lang dyan kung business or personal, ganyan. And then yung the disbursement channel naman is pwede sa ating bangko, ayan, hindi pwede sa mga GCash, ganyan. So, talagang bangko lang, guys. So, nilagay ko na lang yung BDO, guys. Ayan, okay? So, after which, guys, is yung pa-selfie ni Mayor. So, meron ditong pa-selfie after or before natin titignan yung approved na loan po natin. Ayan. So, pagkatapos nating na-fill upan lahat ng mga kinemeroots nito is, andito na guys. So, dito na magkakaalaman. Ayan. So, sabi dito, let's summarize your application. You can edit it now if necessary. So, yung 1,000 na place ko and loan for 15 days, ay pwede daw nating i-edit. So, pwede daw nating i-edit ng 30 days. And yung apply for yung, kunyari yung pera, pwedeng 2,000, 3,000, ganyan. But, ayan guys. So, sabi dito, amount to be received is 1,000. So, buo guys na makukuha natin yung pera. Ayan. And yung total amount due is may dagdag siyang 381. Ayan. So, 1,381. And loan term, since 15 days yung pinili ko is February 1 yung nakalagay dito guys. Ayan. So, yun guys. Pwede tayong mamili. Nakikita naman sa screenshot guys. From 1,000 to 14,000, ayan, as first timer sa kanila, and payable within 15 days or 30 days. Bagamat buo po natin makukuha yung pera, kunyari yung 1,000 na sample ko dito guys, but then, pag pinili ko po yung 30 days, kasi pinaglaruan ko po yung mga numbers dyan, ay yung 1,000 is babayaran mo 30 days, for example, is magiging approximately 1,700 or 1,600 na siya kanina nung trinay ko. So, ayun guys, and after natin i-click, ayan, so, pag nakapili na tayo, 1,000 and then yung 15 days, tap natin yung continue para makita natin. So, andito na ipapakita na yung loan agreement. Ayan, so, before natin i-push through guys, is kailangan natin basahin guys. And if okay sa atin, tap natin yung continue, ayan. But, ang problema lang dito guys, syempre pag magbabayad po tayo is medyo malaki-laki ang babayaran natin. Ayan. So, buo nga yung makukuha mo, pero pag magbabayad ka is may dagdag na medyo may kataasan din lang. Ayan. So, that's it. My video for today for Pita Cash. Though, okay naman siya. Ayan, pwede ka mamila either 15 or 30 days na payment. But then, yun nga lang problema na medyo malaki-laki yung nadagdag sa loan application or loan amount dito sa Pita Cash. So, that's it my video, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Like and subscribe!